When it comes to bold innovation in 2025, the Motorola Razr 60 Ultra stands out without even trying too hard. The Motorola Razr 60 Ultra was officially announced on April 24, 2025, and released just a day later on April 25th. It's one of the latest foldable phones that are pushing the boundaries of what we expect from foldable devices. At first glance, you might notice how sleek and premium this device feels. It's made with a plastic front when open and Gorilla Glass ceramic on the folded part for extra durability. The back features eco-friendly silicone polymer leather, and the frame is constructed from tough aluminum. For added peace of mind, it's also IP48 rated, meaning it's dust and water resistant, so you don't need to worry about minor spills or dust storms. Let's talk about the display. This device comes with a 7-inch foldable LTPO AMOLED screen, which offers 1 billion colors, a 165 Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, and HDR10+. The peak brightness goes up to a staggering 4,500 nits, meaning you can use it comfortably in direct sunlight without any trouble. Plus, the second external screen is a 4-inch LTPO AMOLED that boasts a 3,000 nit peak brightness. Whether the phone is open or closed, the display will impress you. Under the hood, the Razr 60 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This latest processor is built on a 3-nanometer architecture and is designed to handle everything you throw at it. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or streaming videos, the performance is smooth and fast. It also comes with up to 1 terabyte of internal storage and 16 gigabytes of RAM, ensuring you'll have plenty of space and memory to store apps, photos, and videos without any lag. The phone runs on Android 15, which ensures that you get all the latest features and security updates. Now, let's talk about the camera setup. Motorola has equipped the Razr 60 Ultra with a dual 50-megapixel main camera. The first is a wide-angle lens with an f1.8 aperture and optical image stabilization OIS, making sure your photos are steady and sharp even in tricky conditions. The second camera is a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens with a 122-degree field of view, perfect for landscape shots or fitting more into your frame. The camera system supports 8K video recording at 30 frames per second, along with 4K and 1080p at various frame rates, including 240 frames per second for slow-motion shots. The 50-megapixel front camera is no slouch either, capturing crisp selfies and offering 4K video recording. When it comes to power, the Motorola Razr 60 Ultra packs a 4,700 mAh battery. This is a good size for a foldable phone, and it ensures that you can easily get through a full day of use. Plus, it supports 68-watt wired charging, meaning you can charge your device to 50% in just 15 minutes. If you prefer wireless charging, it supports 30-watt wireless charging, as well as 5-watt reverse charging, so you can share power with other devices when needed. The Razr 60 Ultra has all the latest connectivity options. It supports 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and NFC, which means you can expect fast data speeds, great call quality, and smooth connection to other devices. For audio, the phone comes with stereo speakers tuned by Dolby Atmos, offering clear and rich sound. The phone's fingerprint sensor is conveniently located on the side, and it includes all the necessary sensors like accelerometer, gyro, and compass. The Motorola Razr 60 Ultra starts at €1,299, which places it in the premium category. While this is definitely an investment, considering its powerful specs, foldable design, and premium build quality, it offers good value for money compared to other high-end foldables on the market. If you're someone who loves cutting-edge technology and a premium user experience, the Motorola Razr 60 Ultra is a phone you should consider. With its stunning display, powerful performance, high-quality cameras, and fast charging capabilities, it checks off all the boxes for a flagship device. While it's not cheap, it's one of the best foldable phones you can get right now. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more tech updates.